gentlemen, and welcome to another vloggy vlog. People always ask me to show what I bring on these long trips, and today's Monday. On Wednesday morning at 7 a.m. I'm heading out on a trip with NYC Scrambler to Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine, Massachusetts, up that way basically, northeast. And we're just gonna do 5 days of cabins, no camping, so that's why I'm not bringing any camping gear besides some very small items to do with camping. And I'm basically just gonna go through all the stuff that I'm bringing for this adventure and my reasons for it. First thing that I do is I add my windscreen to my bike. I only do this for for long trips like this, like 2,000-3,000 mile long trips, because I don't particularly like the way it looks. But when I'm going far and wide, this actually acts as a little sticker collector, which is nice. And all these little rubber bushings are messed up, so I should probably fix those before I go so it doesn't vibrate. But yeah, so I add this to the bike always. The next thing is my 2 Kriega bags. So this one right here is a Kriega US 20. I've had these for 6-7 years, and these are not cheap by any means, but they last forever. They last really well. So this right here is the 20-liter bag, and this right here is the 30-liter bag. Here they are, side by side. And this is pretty much all I'm gonna bring. They're waterproof, they strap to the bike. One straps on top of the other, and that's how that goes. Nice and easy. All right, there's no particular order of how I'm gonna go through all this. So next item is my iPad, and on my iPad I'm going to do all the computing, book all the Airbnbs, also watch MotoGP on Friday and Saturday and Sunday, because I'm a MotoGP fan and I can't miss it. So that's one of the things. Another thing I'm bringing is clothing. So I have I have 3 pairs of underwear and 3 pairs of socks and 3 shirts. So yeah, so I put them in the Ziploc bags because you can get all the air out, and the way everything stays compact and nice. I always bring a bunch of stickers with me on the trips in case I gotta tag someplace up or give somebody stickers or anything like that. The next thing is this fold out light, because let's see, oh, there's a way to, anyway, so this fold out light, nice and bright, so when we're by the fire outside somewhere, God knows. The next thing I'm bringing is my little headlamp, because there will be some hiking involved. There it is, Slonik. And Slonik, it's a good brand. And this light is rechargeable, and it's super bright. And Slonik means baby elephant. So that's fantastic. And everything is pre-charged. I make sure I pre-charge everything. This is just like a random plastic bag. I always bring a couple of plastic bags for funsies. This is a little pouch. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna put there yet, but I'll figure it out. Then I got my earplugs. Then I got my, and these earplugs are Happy Ears, and I'm a big fan of these. See them? Yep, there they are. Happy Ears, the link is in the bottom, and those are my favorite headphones. I mean, earplugs. Then I got my Easy Pass, very important to get around. I got my patch kit. I got the sausage patches here. See these guys right here? Sausages. My favorite kind of patch kit. Then I got my pump, which in the perfect world I won't even use. Same with the patch kit, but it is what it is. The next thing is AeroPress. This is how I make coffee. If you're not familiar with AeroPress, then you should watch my AeroPress video. And yeah, makes a good cup of coffee. This right here is just basically my Jetboil. I have the little container here, because you never know, because we're gonna be able to make coffee and stay in cabins, but you never know when you need to make coffee in the middle of nowhere by some waterfall, because that could be super fun, just cruising along and making some coffee somewhere. Beautiful thing. So next we got another little pouch, and this pouch will be used for other stuff. Another thing that is super useful that I always bring with me is a net with some hooks on it. One of these would help you carry some firewood to your cabin, some beer, some anything, all sorts of things. Very useful. May or may not use it. Definitely bringing it. Another bag. And this right here is actually my second bag of clothing. So I have a sweatshirt, hoodie. I actually have a warm hat in case, because we're going north, so it might be chilly. Might be like, because I actually went camping last weekend. It was 45 degrees in New York in August. So thermals for the underneath, thermals for the top, and yeah, and these things go into this bag, just like so, and they will live in this bag. With any luck, I probably will not use it, but if I need to use it, I will be warm. So we will put this with the clothing over here. Beautiful. Next thing, super important, is the toolkit. I need to organize it because my toolkit is literally just total trash. I may not even bring it. I may just take a couple of tools and some of the tools I use all the time. Because look, what is this? So next thing I have is my toolkit, and I'll show you in another video what I have inside of it. But it's kind of overkill and a little disorganized. That's another thing I have to really work on and figure out how to do properly. All right, next thing is just like another pouch of little toolkitty things, because they could go in here. Basically tire gauge, zip ties. This is for the seal mate, like in case your fork seal starts bleeding. Then I also got fuses. I got all the fuses. I got like a dozen fuses in here at least, because I'm all about the fuses. And I got my little Allen key, which is very handy, and my Opinel little knife, which is filthy and I will actually wash. I also have my little fork and knife, which goes in this little pouch, just like so. Boom, put it in here. So that's this pouch. This pouch right here actually holds my jump starter cables, because I have this battery right here that is a jump starter, and everything is 100%. Beautiful. You can recharge. It's only 12,000 mega ohms or whatever the hell. So I'm bringing another one. This one is a 20,000. Another power block, because you never know. Because we might be in cabins that don't have electricity, and that would be very unfortunate. So this right here, actually, this goes over here. This right here is just my kit. This is a spoon that my buddy made me, NYC Scrambler himself. So this is where I bring coffee and other random things. So when we're moving around, I can do my coffees. Then I got my toothbrush, toothpaste, a couple of allergy pills, and like Band-Aids, a few other ends and bits. The next thing is this pouch. This is a secret pouch, and we don't talk about this pouch. We'll put it here. This right here is my toilet paper and baby wipes. These right here are crucial. You don't even think about it, but baby wipes, they help. So a roll of toilet paper and baby wipes all day. And even though we're going to be staying in cabins and houses and whatnot, cottages, I'm still bringing my blow-up pillow, because you never know. The little blow-up pillow might save the night. Next thing is my Vans. I'm bringing a pair of Vans shoes to change into after the long day of riding, because they're nice and light. Because trust me, being in the boots all day, not fun, not fun. Next thing I am bringing is 3 microfiber cloths for wiping the bike down, for cleaning, for all sorts of stuff. I mean, using as a towel when you go wash your face, who knows. Next thing is ultra light down little jacket, because this is for if it's truly cold, and this compressor is like really small, so it's not a big deal, but this could also save the day. A little Uniqlo down. Another thing I'm bringing for the elements is a pair of Revit warmer and also waterproof gloves, because you never know. The weather might get nasty, might be caught in the rain for days. Bring that. Speaking of rain, I got my waterproof rain suit. I don't want to use it, but might have to. I'm not sure. And another thing I'm bringing is face masks. I'm bringing 3 face masks because technically it is COVID, and you know, gotta be safe out there. The next thing is these are like, that's funny. These are little Chinese food containers, and I actually use them to bring a little things like we got our charging blocks, or you know, electricity blocks, all sorts of little cables. I got way too many probably, but you never know. So I'm actually gonna bring just a few of these. I see there's a few redundant repeaters which we don't need. So you know, cables and power blocks, they stay here. And then I have another container which contains a few other things. So obviously I'm gonna be vlogging the whole time. I'm gonna try to vlog the whole adventure from the beginning to end, and hopefully with any luck put it out as long as videos, or maybe not, who cares. But I'm bringing 5 GoPro batteries. I'm bringing a 2 terabyte hard drive. This thing is rugged. This thing has been with me for a minute. I trust it. I'm also bringing headphones, just in case I need to listen to something. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna bring these. So I don't need to recharge my headphones. I'm just gonna bring these little earbuds. And so this is for my GoPros. This is an extra SD card. And this right here is the little party piece. This little unit basically allows me to copy my micro SD cards to my hard drive, because they connect to each other, via my phone being my interface. So, or iPad, whatever. So that's pretty neat. So that way when my SD card fills up every day, I can just dump it on here. Nice and easy. So this is this was like 30 bucks. I'm a big fan of this little device. I use it all the time. And that's pretty much it. And also I have a microfiber cloth for wiping devices. And this is pretty much it. This is all of it. Gonna stuff it all into Kriegas, and basically only the 30 bag is gonna be the full one, and the 20 is gonna be like a half full support bag, where I only put like really necessary things like my iPad and some batteries and whatnot. But the 30 is gonna be the one that carries the most. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope this shows you what I'm bringing on this 2,000 mile Vermont adventure. Bye.